In this session, let's see how a CSS can be added to a web document using internal CSS. Internal CSS is also known as embedded CSS. In the previous session, we have seen how to add a styling to a particular element in an HTML document. It was with the help of inline CSS. So in this session, we will be discussing another method to add a CSS to a web document. Internal style sheet is used to add a unique style for a single document. So here, if you want to style your document uniquely, then you can use internal style sheet. And note that here the styling is provided to a single document. This can be done with the help of style tag. And style tag is defined inside the head section. Let's see an example. Here, a style tag is used to define the internal CSS. The style tag is defined within the head section. You can see here that is the starting tag of head and ending tag of head is defined here. And inside this, style tag is used. And within the style tag, you can define the styling, that is CSS, to be included to the document. Here you can see that body tag is the defined or styled with the background color blue. So this is how you can use internal CSS for styling a single web document using a unique style. Let's see this with the help of a sample code. So this code can be used to understand how internal CSS works. So while defining internal CSS, we have to declare this CSS within the style tag. So inside the style tag, we have provided different stylings to different elements in the HTML document. So this particular styling will help us to design our web page uniquely. So inside this, here body is defined with a background color that is given by this particular value. So here it is defined using a hexadecimal value and some color will appear according to this value. So the background of the HTML page will be designed using this color. Then another CSS added here is H1. H1 is also styled with, that is the text defined within H1 tag will be in blue color and it should be aligned to the center part of the document. Another styling is given for paragraph tag. That is wherever the paragraph tag appears in our document, then all that paragraphs will be defined in brown color and the size of font will be set to 30 pixels. So let's see how this works. And also you can see that inside the body part, we have defined all these tags, that is H1 and P. So here internal CSS is the text that is to be displayed in blue color and it should be aligned towards the center part of the document. And whatever is written inside the paragraph tag, then it should be displayed using brown color and the size of that particular text should be 30 pixels. So let's see how this appears while running the code. So let's open this and you can see the output of this particular code here. So as we have defined the background color with a particular hexadecimal value, that color is here, you can see it is navy blue, and whatever is written inside the H1 tag, that is internal CSS, appears in blue color and it is also aligned towards the center part of the document. And another thing that is written in P tag, that is we have defined a text using the paragraph tag and this particular text appears in brown color and also the size of this text is 30 pixels. So this is how internal CSS works. That is, if you want to style a single document uniquely, then you can use internal CSS or embedded CSS. And this can be performed with the help of style tag, and style tag is always included within head tag. Hope you understood the topic. Thank you.